Добар ден, почитувани гледачи. Ова е 418-та емисија на македонско издание, а денеска е сабота, 28 септември 2019 година. По летната пауза продолжуваме со оваа емисија која ве информира за најновите информации од македонската комуна во Торонто и околината и која ве забавува со македонска музика. Македонско издание продолжува да ја представува македонската комуна од Торонто на нашиот веб-сайт со професионално обработени содржини и прилози кои, како што ни велите вие, секогаш го задржуваат вашето внимание. Јас сум Победа Пискачева, продуцентот и водителот на оваа ваша програма и сакам да ви се заблагодарам што одвоивте време да бидете со нас денеска. Како што знаете, македонско издание исклучиво се емитува на сајтот www.macedonianedition.tv, каде што можете емисијава да ја погледате во вашето слободно време. Емисијата Македонско издание од своето прво емитување во 1998 година имаше и се уште има за цел да ги покрива настаните во нашата комуна во Онтарио, кои ја промовираат македонската култура и традиција. Macedonian Open е еден од тие настани кој оваа година се одржа на 8 јули, повторно во организација на канадското македонско место.
Канадското македонско место во Торонто на своите станари им нуди угодно живеалиште, хармоничен живот и одлична услуга. Побарајте ги на 416 755 9231.
lot more ladies than we ever had before, which is wonderful. Yeah! And we got some juniors. The future. We need the future. This thing's been going on for 77 years. We want to make it 100. I can tell you that won't be neat. So we're going to have some of the young ones take over and get this thing going. I did a little bit of traveling with my family back to the old country this year. We had a wonderful time. And as part of the rationale for this tournament, I said, you know, I'm not going to be around for about 3-4 weeks. So I need someone to help out. So I anointed a co-chair, Chris Poplis. Chris, come on up. What do you think? I mean, this is an amazing tournament so far. We had a great day. Everything's on our side, right? Great weather. How was your game?
The game was good. We all contributed. Some more than others.
Some more than others. We won our bet. I don't know about you guys. We won our bet, but we lost to those guys over there. So they got lots of money now for the bidding on the silent auction. Hey, we've got. I want to thank Station Creek. We moved over here from Cardinal. I think they were doing an exceptional job. I think you all agree this format is beautiful. The course is in great shape. Yeah. Really good. Enjoy the course. And we're going to be looking forward to a fabulous dinner. A little bit different. Jordan will explain a bit more, but we're going to do it buffet style with roast pig and roast chicken, Macedonian style. We should thank the sponsors. These sponsors have got the cards all the way around. And you guys really helped us make this tournament the success that it is. You know, last year we raised over $100,000 for Canadian National League. That's all you guys. Let's start with our tournament, long-term tournament sponsor.
Yeah, I'd like to acknowledge our long-term, I don't know how many years it was, I understand we can't remember.
10 years.
Gotta be. Creative Wealth Media. For those who don't know what Creative Wealth Media does, they are a movie fund company. They're a production house. And one of their latest accolades was an Academy Award for the film Fences, which featured Denzel Washington. They took home the Best Actress with Viola Davis. We went to see it with Carolyn and Tom. We're 1 for 1. We went to see Green Book, 2 for 2. Their latest picture they're working on is a Martin Scorsese film with Robert De Niro called Joker. And I'm suggesting to Jason that he invite us to the premiere if he wants to win an award. So, thank you very much. I don't know if anyone here is from Creative Wealth. No? Well, they've been a wonderful sponsor. We welcome them with open arms and thank them very much.
I'm going to ask our good friends over here, John and Adriana Podolsky, to sing the Canadian and Macedonian national anthems, and if I could ask everybody to stand, please. Thank you. you. How many golf tournaments do you go to where you hear a national anthem? How about that? We throw out all the surprises here. So I'm gonna move things along very, very quickly. I know people are hungry. I know people are tired. They want to get on, but I want to just really remind everyone. This event is one of the most major fundraisers for Canadian Macedonian Place, and the 100 or so residents that live there that we honor every day benefit by it, as Chris and Stan talked about. The quality of the facility is world class. The programming that they have, and what we really allow more than anything is for them to live their life with dignity in a very comfortable surrounding with Macedonian customs and culture around them. So again, thank you, and today is just a celebration of that, and again to the committee for all the hard work that they do on such a momentous occasion, so thank you. A couple of acknowledgements, and one in particular, we have our good friend here all the way from Washington, the President of the United Macedonian Diaspora, Mr. Miko Kowalski. Thank you, Miko, for taking the time to come. Ronnie, study it, study. Let's be sent on Macedonia. We're going to be doing some raffle things. I think a lot of you have already bought them. We have the volunteers that are walking around, $20 for 3, or a big arm for $100. So you want to find somebody who really, where's my nephew, Brett? Brett, where are you? Brett. Oh, he left. He's got a long arm. You might want him around. Raffle prize number 1 is a Samsung 4Q QLED TV, 65 inches, and it's the latest generation. So please buy your raffle tickets. And then we've got some amazing silent auction items. We've got great golf packages. We've got an Austin Matthews autographed jersey somewhere in here. We've got a Steven Stamkos, our very own Steven Stamkos jersey. We've got Blue Jay tickets, Vladdy Guerrero. You can go see Vladdy Guerrero for how many home runs? 91 last night. And the granddaddy of them all, an opportunity to play golf with Stan Thomas at Magna. Priceless. We have a Zach Corrales autographed CFL football and a Samsung robot vacuum. And that's just to name a few. So we're going to start that right after dinner. And there's a list, I think, on everybody's table you can get comfortable with. And without further ado, I'd like to introduce the President of Canadian Macedonian Place, Mr. George Marcoux.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome. On behalf of myself and the entire board and directors at the Canadian Macedonian Place Foundation, welcome today to our 77th annual Macedonian Open. Jordan, once again, thank you for all your support and continued support, and thank you for seeing this evening. Today we celebrate the 77th anniversary of, or not anniversary of the Open, and with your generous support and participation this tournament, we not only raise money for CNPF, but the intention is to bring the entire community and friends of the community together. And I think we've done a great job over the years, especially today with the tournament that we've had, so thank you. This year specifically on June the 17th, that just passed, CNP celebrated another milestone, and that was 40 years ago on June the 17th, we opened our doors. So it has been 40 years, and with your contributions and the funds raised for this tournament, we don't only support CNP, but we also support a variety of different areas within our community. For example, the Macedonian Language Program at the University of Toronto, the Historical Society, the Film Festival, the media, etc. So this, the funds that we raise today are not only for the home, but for a vast variety of different areas of our community. There's a lot that goes on to plan an event this size, as you can imagine, and I'd really like to extend my appreciation to Slavka, Margarita, and Shnezana. And unfortunately, Slavka couldn't be with us here today. Our thoughts and prayers are with her and her family. Unfortunately, we're sad to say that her dad passed away. and she had to travel back to Macedonia. However, we also want to thank all the volunteers that are here. There's ladies selling raffle tickets. There's students helping us this morning. So for any of the volunteers that are in the room, if you could just please stand up for a round of applause if anybody's here. That great zone link that we had on the table, the ladies of Markham and the Macedonian Church of Markham, I'd like to thank them for baking that delicious zone link as we do every year. And we also have here Vangel Nikolsky. He's not only a resident at Canadian Macedonian Place, but he's graciously volunteered his time to provide all the photography for today. Brendan, Tom Vito will understand this. Once an amigo, you're always an amigo. And last November, I had the privilege of meeting a couple of people down in Florida, and Cameron Law and NHLer from the Montreal Canadiens and New York Rangers. Brandon Frost is here. Brandon, and Brandon, thank you so much for taking the time to be here. Along with Nick, the navigator. Lastly, just the entire my golf committee, or our golf committee, it takes a long time to plan events of this nature. Probably a week from now, we're going to have a post-mortem, and a few months from now, we're going to start planning for next year. So, to the golf committee, Alex, Marilyn, everybody that's on it, George, Strujovsky, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the remainder of your evening, and please be responsible for drinking and driving, and arrive home safely. Thank you once again.
Okay, so I have another person that I'd love to introduce, and she is the CEO of Macedonia 2025, which is a wonderful organization that does amazing work for Macedonia in the diaspora. And it's Nikita Moisolska-Blazewski. Please stand, but more importantly, she was Macedonia's first Olympic team as a skier, correct? We have an Olympian in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Ski Nagano in 1998. Thank you for coming.
Канадското македонско место во Торонто на своите станари им нуди угодно живеалиште, хармоничен живот и одлична услуга. Побарете ги на 416 755 9231.
А сега во продолжение да проследиме една музичка номера.
Македонска, поздравявам те, земјо Македонска, поздравявам те, земјо Македонска, земјо турско-робска Македонијо, уважавам те. Земјо Македонска, земјо турско-робска Македонијо, уважавам те. Уважавам твоите Македонијо, гори високи. Уважавам твоите Македонијо, гори високи. Горите висоите, и во тебе хероите Македонијо, што ги раѓаш ти. Горите висоите, и во тебе хероите Македонијо, што ги раѓаш ти. Osjatavi rejat Makedoniju, ti mi davaš sve. Stada Taveleja, Osjatavi rejat Makedoniju, ti mi davaš sve. Ništo ne te plaši Makedonijo, na ovoj beli svet. Ništo ne te plaši Makedonijo, na ovoj beli svet. Koji dušmanke leze, čim neke izleze Makedonijo, ti ostavaš broj. Koji dušmanke leze, čim neke izleze Makedonijo, ti ostavaš broj. Zemljo Makedonijo, naša tatkovino, Makedonijo.
И во денешната емисија имаме неколку информации за професионално и поволно дизајнирање на веб сајтови. Побарајте ги TJ Hosting на 647-547-3061. Читајте македонски вести со детални информации и важни надписи за македонската комуна во Торонто. За сите врсти на животно осигурување, осигурување за критични болести, осигурување на вашиот кредит за куќа, инвалидско и здравствено осигурување и осигурување кога патувате, јавете се на 647-977-0233. Јас ќе ви помогнам да го одберете најдоброто и најповолното осигурување за вас. За грижлива нега на вашата коса и незино професионално стилирање, побарајте ја Елизабета на 647-281-5501. Ете, почитувани гледачи, тоа е се што подготвивме за оваа емисија на Македонско издание. До нашето следно видување ви благодарам за вашето оценето внимание, пријатно и довидување.
Thank you.